I've been tryna get to a bag and lately tryna get out my feelings. I'm tryna stack up my money, yeah, straight from the flow to the motherfucking ceiling. I compare myself to a banana, the way all my pockets be peeling. And I separate myself every day, cause the way niggas be out here just killing. Stay in the studio, I stay in the booth, hope you know all I do is spit flames, yeah. Stay in my own fucking lane, cause these niggas be lame and they do not be gang, yeah. Promise myself that I'm never gonna change, I'm gonna put 1 BH up on the chain. Smoking some gas when I don't feel the same. Different colors, we don't smoke the same strain. Lately I've been really up in my feelings. They keep telling me get out your bag, nigga, because you was the ticket. My response was not the ticket, just different and I'm just gifted. But don't test me, I got niggas that's ready to spin like a fidget. Nigga, play with your life, we gon' get it. Making money, I do not make friends now. Ride around with the Glock in my hand now. Niggas know I'm the shit and that's hands down. Got your bitch tryna pull her damn pants down. Brought a new stick and it sound like a band now. I be dripped down from my toe to my head now. Only 16 with a dream in the flow now. Only 16 with a dream in the flow. Lost in my head, I got nowhere to go. Battle depression, I put that on bro. Mama told me never stress by the hoe. Every day these bitches coming and go. When, yeah. Mama told me never stress by the hoe. Every day these bitches coming and going. Every day these bitches coming and going. Lately I've been tryna get to a bag and lately tryna get out my feelings. I'm tryna stack up my money, yeah, straight from the flow to the motherfucking ceiling. I compare myself to a banana, the way all my pockets be peeling. And I separate myself every day, cause the way niggas be out here just killing. Stay in the studio, I stay in the booth, hope you know all I do is spit flames, yeah. Stay in my own fucking lane, cause these niggas be lame and they do not be game, yeah. Promise myself that I'm never gonna change. I'm gonna put 1 BH up on the chain. Smoking some gas when I don't feel the same. Different colors, we don't smoke the same strain. 1 BH, that's the motherfucking gang. Yeah, promise my niggas I'm never gon' fucking switch lanes. Yeah, promise myself that I'm never gon' fucking switch lanes. Yeah, I'm gonna put 1 BH up on the motherfucking chain. Yeah, yeah. Maserati, yeah. Maserati, Maserati, yeah. Maserati, yeah. Maserati, yeah.
What we post all the good back
Maserati, Maserati. Yeah, I gotta go get to a bag. I'ma go get to it fast. I know these niggas be plotting, they tryna come get the drop where I be at. But no, I can't go out like that. Cause I told my mama that we was gon' make it, yeah, fuck where we at. We not gon' be stuck at the bottom, no cap. I gotta get off my ass and chase it. I'm nothing like these niggas, they all basic. Came a long way from being in the pavement. $5 what I said for the payment. I was just trying to make a living. I told them I rap and they thought I was kidding. I'm sick and tired living this life that I'm living. I'm sick and tired of living the life that I'm living. I told them I rap and they thought I was kidding. I can't fuck with these niggas cause niggas be snitching. 9 times out of 10 I'm fucking they bitch ass. I want them big racks, few mil. Kinda looking for a deal, but really looking for a meal. Fuck how niggas really feel. Cause niggas ain't fuck with me back then, so fuck how niggas really feel. Fuck how niggas really feel, yeah. Fuck how niggas really feel. And I'm off of them drugs. When I get up, I start moving just like I'm a slug. I know why niggas been hating on me cause I'm Maserati and they know I'm a thug. I know why niggas been lying and trying me, so when I catch them, you gon' know what's up. I know why niggas been lying and trying me, so when I catch them, you gon' know what's up, yeah. I'm in this stew and I'm making big moves. I fuck around and just fucking make the news. I just fuck around and might just make the news. Niggas, they tryna come take me out my shoes, but I can't let that happen. I stay in my motherfucking ratchet. So if I catch me out, then I'm up in my Glock and you know what's gon' happen. Yeah. Maserati never lagging. I stay in my motherfucking Glock in my pants and I walk with that bitch, it's a habit. So if a nigga want the static, nigga don't cop out, you know you can have it. You know you can have it. Nigga, you know you can have it, yeah. Niggas, they really be pussy. They roll me these shoes like a rookie. Niggas, they really be pussy. Yeah. Niggas, they really be pussy. Yeah. Niggas, they really be pussy. I'ma double the ad-lib.
Ballin' game time. I'm gonna get you. What is you with me? I'm Watching my block, I'm looking for cops, ayy. Gotta get off this block, ayy. Now I'm up on the road, booking me for a show. Now I'm fucking the hoes, showing you how I go. I'm the only nigga that's 16, but I act like I'm grown. I'm the only nigga 16, got 16 in my chrome. Know what I'm on, know what I'm on, bitch. I am just giving them game. Some niggas try to get in my way, some niggas get in my lane, ayy. But you cannot get in my lane, cause nigga, I really am different. Nigga, you know I'm living my nigga, you know that I'm gifted. Fuck it up, pour some drink. Rolling against what I think. I'ma show y'all what I think, but I can show y'all what I think. A nigga for no get blink. A nigga for no get steam. You can feel my pain up in my way. Don't get in my way. Don't get in my. Don't get in my way. Don't get in my. Niggas try to get in my way. You can't get in my way, nigga, cause I am him. Bitches try to get in my way. You can't get in my way, little bitch, I'm him. And I'ma just blow out the gym. Hey, shoot like black balls at the rim, cause I got game. Bitches just all in my face. Niggas tryna get in my place. It ain't no way you getting in my place, cause I am the GOAT, for real. And I got a stand that is to kill. Nigga, you know I'm a drill. Stop popping the pills. You told me stop popping the pills, and I did. Only nigga that did. Only nigga that was up in the train, nigga, where you live. Only rap nigga flipping all on the pack, nigga did the bid. Brother came home, nigga, and he just back, he just did the bid like 2 years. In the chat, don't move, say little nigga, I am not trying no deer. Cause I'm in the wood, and I'm living good, alright. Your bitch is good, my bitch is good, she treating me good, alright. Eating on my what? Put it in her back, make her feeling good, ayy. Think I shade over the bird, that be me, I am just putting in work, do it for my team. Ayy, bitch, I got that green, bitch, I got that cheese, split it with my team. Up in the trap, up in the cocoa, making a bitch do all my cocoa nut. She will get back, I'ma get back, yeah, yeah. Got more on my strap, got little on my jack, ayy. I said it before, I'ma say it again. Bitch, I ain't here for the win. Nigga, you know I'm a jet. Bitches, they know I'm a jet. Bitch, you know I'm in. We gon' run your Broadway. Nigga, we know them hot. Hey, yeah. They gon' make.
Man, how the fuck? 2, 4, 6, 8. Watch this factory so they appreciate. Crown in my hand and I'm really playing. Keep away. Shit don't even usually get this big.